Ever struggle to tell the difference between flirting and just a normal social interaction? Turns out, most people are only about 27% accurate when guessing if someone is flirting. So don't feel bad. To figure it out, first observe the setting and body language. A chatty stranger at a party is far more likely to be flirting than someone smiling at you in history class. And a big grin at the grocery store might just mean you're blocking the Pop-Tarts with your cart. You should also consider your relationship, since people in positions of power, like your boss or teacher, shouldn't be flirting with you, even if they're acting friendly. If you do decide to flirt back, maintain a comfortable distance of about 2.5 feet so you don't violate personal space. And remember, if someone says, "Please leave," that is not a secret flirtatious code for passion. When in doubt, drop the subtle guessing games and simply ask, "Are you flirting with moi?" Because clear communication always beats accidental creeping.